Welcome to our exclusive first look at Burda Style 7/25, French edition. This issue brings Parisian elegance to life with modern cuts, timeless fabrics, and graceful silhouettes designed especially for confident women over 50. Let's dive into each standout design, one by one, and explore how French chic meets Burda craftsmanship. The Parisian Linen Shirt Dress. Classic, breezy, and effortlessly chic. This shirt dress is the star of the issue. Made from breathable linen, it features a gently cinched waist, a midi-length hem, and subtle details like tortoiseshell buttons and a smart collar. This dress channels that walk through a French market vibe while still being polished enough for a summer lunch or city stroll. Its clean silhouette makes it ideal for layering with a lightweight trench or styling with espadrilles and a sun hat. The relaxed fit flatters every body shape, while the structured seams add just enough definition. Whether you wear it belted or loose, this piece brings freedom, comfort, and sophistication. It's perfect for travel, perfect for warm weather, and absolutely timeless. Think of it as your summer capsule staple. Understated, refined, and très chic. The romantic Ruffle Blouse. This blouse is all about soft femininity with a whisper of drama. Crafted in cotton voile or silk blend, it features cascading ruffles along the neckline and sleeve cuffs. The kind of subtle detail that makes French fashion so appealing. It has a slight A-line cut, which gives it a breezy feel while still maintaining a graceful shape. You can pair it with everything from tailored pants to a flowy skirt. This blouse is ideal for elegant evenings or a stylish brunch, and it looks especially sophisticated when tucked into high-waisted trousers. Available in pastel tones like soft lavender, ivory, and powder blue, it adds a romantic mood to your wardrobe without feeling overdone. It flatters mature figures with its delicate drape and smart sleeve length. French women love pieces that whisper rather than shout, and this blouse speaks volumes in the most graceful way. The Chic Cropped Trousers. Sleek, versatile, and smart, these cropped trousers bring Parisian city style to everyday wear. Designed with a high waist and a gentle taper, they hit just above the ankle, drawing attention to shoes in the best way possible. Think classic ballet flats, block heel sandals, or even white sneakers for a casual twist. The fabric choices include cotton stretch, twill, and soft gabardine, ensuring both comfort and shape retention. These trousers are meant to be worn day in and day out, styled up with a silk blouse or down with a crisp tee and blazer. The French twist lies in the cut, slightly cropped with a center crease and just enough structure to feel tailored without being stiff. Ideal for women over 50, they emphasize the waistline and elongate the leg, especially when worn with a tucked-in top. Sophisticated yet fuss-free, these are the kind of pants that work as hard as you do, while keeping you polished at every step. The elegant Draped Midi Dress. A standout for evening or special occasions, this Draped Midi Dress combines structure and softness in a uniquely French way. The bodice is gently gathered at the side, creating a flattering waistline and a beautiful draped effect across the front. The V-neck elongates the neckline, and the mid-length sleeves offer comfort and coverage. The dress moves with you, never clinging, always flowing, and works beautifully in fabrics like crepe, matte jersey, or viscose blends. The silhouette suits many figures with its cinched middle and softly flared skirt. It's designed for women who want to look elegant without trying too hard. Pair it with kitten heels and pearl earrings for an evening out, or layer it with a linen jacket for a daytime look. French fashion always embraces quiet elegance, and this piece is no exception. Understated, refined, and just a little bit romantic, it's everything a mature woman needs in a go-to dress. The soft utility jacket. This French-inspired utility jacket blends functionality with subtle flair. Made from lightweight cotton twill or soft denim, It features patch pockets, a gentle drawstring waist, and tonal buttons for a clean, refined finish. Unlike traditional utility jackets that can feel bulky, this version is softened by Burda's expert tailoring, creating a silhouette that skims the body without overwhelming it. The three-quarter sleeves can be rolled up for a relaxed look, and the muted color palette, dusty rose, olive cream, offers timeless sophistication. Layer it over dresses, tees, or blouses. It's the perfect transitional piece for spring or early fall. French women love pieces that can go from city strolls to countryside escapes with ease, and this jacket does exactly that. For women over 50, it provides structure without stiffness and elegance without fuss. It's stylish, yes, but also practical, breathable, and ready for everyday adventures. Whether you're sipping espresso in a cafe or out for a walk, this is the jacket that makes you look put together in an instant. The Knit Twinset gets a Parisian update in this Burda design. Forget the stiff, outdated versions. This one is all about fluid knits, elegant cuts, and wearable charm. The sleeveless top has a slightly scooped neckline and a clean hemline, while the matching cardigan features gentle shaping and subtle detailing, like small mother-of-pearl buttons and a softly rolled edge. Made in lightweight merino or a cotton silk blend, this set is breathable and polished. Worn together or separately, it offers endless versatility. Style it with cropped trousers, a midi skirt, or even over a dress for added layering. French style often relies on understated staples with beautiful construction, and this twinset delivers just that. The pieces skim the body without clinging, offering just the right amount of softness and coverage for mature figures. Add a silk scarf or a delicate brooch, and you've created a look that's comfortable, chic, and ageless. This twinset isn't just pretty. It's practical, elegant, and ready for real life. This skirt is a playful nod to vintage French tailoring with a modern twist. The paperbag waist is high and cinched with a fabric belt that ties into a soft bow, creating a beautifully defined waistline and a flattering drape below. The hem hits just below the knee, and subtle pleats provide shape without adding bulk. Choose fabrics like chambray linen blends, or structured cotton in soft neutrals or gentle stripes. This design pairs perfectly with slim tops or tucked-in blouses, and works well with everything from sandals to espadrilles. For women over 50, this skirt offers waist definition while still feeling breathable and comfortable. The French love balance, a slightly romantic waist paired with a minimalist silhouette below. And this piece captures that beautifully. It's charming, practical, and adds a hint of Parisian flair to your everyday wardrobe. Dress it up with pearls and a blazer, or dress it down with a casual tee. Either way, it's an easy win for elevated everyday style. A true French icon reimagined. The Breton stripe, now as a weekend-ready knit dress. This Burda design turns the classic mariniere top into a stylish, knee-length dress with a straight cut and three-quarter sleeves. The fabric is soft jersey or cotton interlock, making it both cozy and polished. The neckline is a classic boat neck, adding that unmistakable nautical charm, while small side slits at the hem give ease of movement. French women adore stripes for their timeless appeal, and this dress proves why. It's simple, yes, but striking in its own quiet way. Perfect for running errands, seaside getaways, or relaxed lunches, it looks fantastic with white sneakers, loafers, or even a red lip for a pop of color. For women over 50, it's all about ease. Easy to wear, easy to move in, and easy to feel good in. The cut skims the figure gently, offering a silhouette that's both forgiving and flattering. Effortless, iconic, and eternally chic, just like French style itself. If you enjoyed this preview, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a new release. There's so much more style to discover together. Until next time, stay elegant, stay inspired, and remember, true style only gets better with age.